Here I've got OPPO Reno 3 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contacts. Now select Sit, and here tap on the More icon. Then click on Edit, and now you can customize your contact. So as we would like to add a profile picture, it's time to click on the Camera tab, and then you can either take a photo. If someone is staying right in front of you, you can select a photo from your gallery, or obviously you can go back and do not add any photo, but I will select one. Let me choose, for example, this one. Then we have to crop it. And now you can customize it, so you can make it bigger, smaller, as only you prefer. Tap on Done once it's customized, and finally click on Save. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, your contact is assigned to this picture, so every time Sid will be calling you, you will see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.